What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And we're hanging out in Arizona still. We're just kind of resting, working, relaxing, and sweating.
Yeah, we could have gone north a little sooner, but we're making it happen, and we're beating the heat by spending a lot of time at the pool.
Yes, which also means we want quick snacks, quick dinners, so we can have a snack and get right back in the water.
So today on Destination Delicious, we are getting a little bit Caribbean, and we are doing jerk chicken skewers with a mint lime dipping sauce.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. For today's recipe, we're going to be using chicken breast tenders skewered on some bamboo rods, jerk seasoning, and for our dipping sauce, we are going to use yogurt, honey, some limes, and fresh mint. Today we are griddling on our Adventure Ready 22-inch, and I have got the griddle set to medium-low. All right, to get our jerk chicken skewers ready, I'm going to get some oil down on the griddle, put on the chicken skewers, and then season them up with some awesome jerk seasoning. Jerk chicken is actually one of my favorite appetizers. There's a restaurant back in Baltimore that we used to go to a lot, and they have a fantastic jerk chicken appetizer on the menu. Oh, that smells so good.
You can't go wrong with meat on a stick.
No, it's awesome. While our jerk chicken skewers finish cooking, I am gonna get our dipping sauce ready. So we are going to be using about 2 cups of whole fat yogurt. Then we're gonna add some tasty honey to sweeten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna mix this in. Then I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of lime juice and some lime zest. The chicken tenders aren't gonna take long to cook, so they're just gonna need a few minutes on each side. These are looking ready. I'm gonna flip them over. And then we will add the jerk chicken seasoning to the cooked side. The last thing we've got for our dipping sauce is a little bit of mint. I'm just gonna rough cut these up and then add them to our dipping sauce.
When we cook, we get military flyovers. Just, you know,
encourage us.
We're that special.
Makes me want to watch Maverick again. Our jerk chicken skewers are ready to go. We're gonna get these off the griddle. All right, here we go. Like you said, meat on a stick, you cannot go wrong.
Yeah, I mean, it smells good, it looks good.
Yeah.
Let's see if it tastes
All right,
good.
so here's the quick question though.
Uh-oh.
Are you a double dipper? Comment below. Where are you on the double dip? We're a family of double dippers. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Yeah.
That's pretty tasty.
I love it. That jerk seasoning is delicious.
It is.
All right.
And the mint and the lime kind of offset
Yeah,
the
it gives that like,
spiciness.
yep, that sweet and sour. Okay, perfect. There you go. That's all that matters. If your kids eat it, you know you're doing good. Thank you again for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching.
Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and hit that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the awesome videos.
From Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.